Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a very classic American dish, egg salad sandwiches. They're so easy to make, takes no time. Kids love it, adults will love it too. And school is back on. You can put them in your kids' lunch boxes and they will love it during their lunchtime. The ingredients you're gonna need for to make them are not that many actually. You're gonna need some hard-boiled eggs, which I'm gonna talk about in a little bit, some pickles, scallions finely chopped, mayo, salt and pepper, and some lemon juice and Dijon mustard, and some bread, of course. Now about the eggs, the way I cook them is I take a saucepan, I put some cold water in it, put my eggs, put the lid on and bring it to a rolling boil. When it comes to a rolling boil, I turn the heat off and let it sit in that hot water for about exactly 11 minutes. After 11 minutes, I take it out of the hot water, run some cold water through it, and then they peel so easy. There's no gray ring around it, not overcooked, very fluffy sunshine yellow yolks. That's what they look like. Now to cut them, what I do is I just cut it into small pieces, like so, because I like my sandwich to be a little bit chunky. I don't like it to be really like a paste almost. So cut it into small pieces like so. Now you take all your eggs, put them in a mixing bowl, and try not to drop it like I'm doing at the moment. It's so easy. Put all the rest of the ingredients in the same bowl. Scallions, or green onions, mayo. This is the binder to your sandwich. Lemon juice, Dijon mustard. Now the pickles are optional. I personally like it because it adds a really nice crunch to your dish, and the amount that I'm using, it's not even a lot, so you don't even like taste it. So I would definitely try to use it first and then not use it if you don't like it, but try it first. And the black pepper. Now I'm gonna mix this really well until everything is well combined. My egg salad is ready. This is what you're looking for. Now take 2 loaves of bread. Put a really nice amount of your salad in there, like so. Put the top on. I normally like to cut my sandwich in triangles. And by the way, the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box down below, so do not forget to check it out. Look at it. It looks so yummy. I'm gonna give it a try. It is so creamy. The pickle adds really nice crunch to it, like I was telling you about, and also a little bit of sourness, not that much. It's very delicious. You have to give it a try. Try this recipe this weekend. If you do, let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. If you have any requests or comments, also put it in the comment section below. If you like what you saw today, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.